2021 plate, Range Rover Vogue, in for the Can Immo Pro immobiliser. This is $499 supplied and fitted. You get lifetime warranty, free driver ID tag, emergency override. You can pair your mobile phone app, and also you can set a PIN code disarm. So let's show you how it all works. These Range Rover Vogues will allow you to start the engine, but you cannot select gear. So this is completely locked out. If you was managed to get in gear, the engine would cut off. Thus this is completely immobilised. So now, using buttons available around the network, you just enter your code. So if I enter the demo code now, we'll get a flash of the hazards. We can now select gear, nice and safe. When you switch the engine off, you can restart as many times as you like until you exit the vehicle. So as I exit the vehicle, you will see the lights of the hazards will flash. This is to confirm that this has activated the immobiliser. So as I open, we've got 2 flashes. So now we're back to not being able to select gear. So I'll start it again. No gear selection. So this is the Can Immo, $499, lifetime warranty, free Bluetooth tag for a limited offer period. Interested in getting your vehicle secured, give your local dealer a call. Thank you very much.
She knows